Where does OBS save recordings and clips? How to change the save folder location? First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Now click on the Settings button at the top right corner of the screen. In the Settings window, select the Output tab from the left-hand menu. Depending on the output mode you're using, the options may look different. If you are in Simple mode, you will see a section called Recording directly in the Output tab. If you are in the Advanced mode, you will need to first click on the Recording tab under the Output section. Regardless of the mode, under the Recording section, you will see a field called Recording Path. This is where your files are being saved by default. OBS usually saves recordings under C, Users, Your Name and Videos, but you can choose another folder where you would like your recordings to be saved. To change this, click the Browse button next to the recording path. A file explorer will pop up. Choose a new folder where you would like your recordings to be saved. I use a folder on my desktop which I named Recordings to have quick access to my recordings. Then click Select Folder. So once you have chosen a new folder, click Apply at the bottom right of the Settings window. Then click OK to confirm. Now your recordings will be saved to the new location you selected. You can always return to this menu to change it again if needed. That's it, you have successfully changed the save location for your OBS recordings. Thanks for watching and see you next time.